Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening your channel and clicking Customize Channel. That drops you into channel settings fast. Once there, move to the Basic Info tab. This is where the About description lives. You'll see a text box labeled Channel Description. Click it to edit. Make your first changes now. Short intro, 1-2 keywords, and a clear call to action. Save time by drafting text in a note app for quick copy-paste, and make sure to keep it under recommended length. Now you'll craft the middle, the how and why of your channel. Start with a single clear sentence that explains value people decide in 3 seconds. Follow with 2-3 keywords naturally placed. Avoid stuffing words unnaturally. Add essential links or timestamps in short form, and include one call to action like subscribe or watch playlist. Once done, read aloud to check flow and tone, then paste into the About text box and preview how it appears on desktop. Finish by clicking Save or Publish, then immediately verify the update on both desktop and mobile. YouTube sometimes shows cached content. If save fails, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or use the YouTube Studio mobile app. One of those usually resolves sync issues. Make sure links are clickable and CTAs still visible. Finally, monitor your channel analytics over 1-2 weeks and tweak the description to improve click-through rate. Adjustments based on data work better than guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.